Hi, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mimi!
And this is...
Marios!
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
Noods!
Yep, that's right. This is a box from Exotic Noods. You can go to exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is going to be a box of neat international varieties. And yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside, huh? Ooh! So when you get one of these boxes, the first thing you'll see is the Features of the Month pamphlet. This has information about everything in here and a little newsletter. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna show you everything in the box and tell you a little about it. All right, first off, we've got some Myojo Chukunzanmai. This one is, they're calling it Ramen. This one, what is it? It's sesame flavored sauce with mustard. This is a cold noodle, so you cook it, you drain it, you rinse it with cold noodle, throw the sauce on it, stir it up, and you're good to go. And now here's one from South Korea. This is Paldo Bibimbap, and this is another cold noodle. Basically, you cook it, drain it, rinse it under cold water, add the stuff on, and it's really spicy, and it's got a sweetness to it. It's good stuff. Another one that pairs good with like boiled egg, cucumber, maybe some like diced ham. Next up, we've got one from Aussie or Assy. I think it's Aussie. But this is a fried jajang noodle. I think this is, fresh jajang noodle bowl, rather. So this is going to be another one that you drain. I think it's microwavable too. But it's got a black bean sauce. And this is a really good one for winter months. Nice and warm. Good stuff. Oh, cool. Here is this new Menraku variety again. I just did an unboxing from a reader that had this in it as well. So that's pretty cool. This is their new chili tomato. And I was told that this has just like a nice little bump of spiciness and a nice tomato flavor. So we'll find out shortly. And from Thailand, this is some chicken pho by Mama. This is a good one. I've been to the factory where they make their rice noodles, and it's pretty amazing. It's it's warm there, and this is basically pho ga, means chicken soup. Then another one from Thailand. This is fashion food with their pho bo. This is a beef flavored broth, and yeah, I don't know, these are all right. The last ones that I've had, I've been pretty impressed with. And the deal here is you have a bowl with a lid that comes with it. So you could actually reuse this. It's kind of neat. And yet another Thai variety. This is Mama with their instant Chanticleer soup. Kind of salty, kind of savory. It's different. If you've never had this, try it. And finally, one of my all-time favorites. This is Samyang Ramen from South Korea. It's a little bit spicy, and it has kind of a ham flavor to it, and it's absolutely wonderful stuff. You make this, put a little slice of cheese on top, and put some ham in with it, and have it for breakfast. Put a soft-boiled egg on it too. Oh man, I could go for this. This is really good. All right, so in this month's box from exoticnoods.com, you get clear soup, ham flavor, chicken pho, chili tomato, black bean, bibimbap, beef, a Japanese cold noodle, a pair of chopsticks, and an informational pamphlet. All right, cool. Well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, head on over to exoticnoods.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider. Hey, it's not too late to get a gift for people for the holidays doing this. You can just print something out and hand it to them and go, hey, you're going to get nudes in the mail. Anyways, this has been Hans, and this has been... And this has been...
Marios!
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day!
Have a good one.